If luxury had a throne on four wheels, it would look exactly like the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. The moment it glides into view, you realize this isn't just another premium SUV. It's a rolling declaration of power, prestige, and pure indulgence. Crafted under the legendary banner of Mercedes-Benz and elevated by the ultra-exclusive Mercedes-Maybach division, this flagship SUV carries a starting price hovering around $180,000, and with options, it can easily climb far beyond that. But this vehicle isn't built for compromise. It's built for those who measure success in experiences, not expenses. From the outside, the Maybach GLS commands attention without shouting. The massive chrome-accented grille with vertical slats, the elegant Maybach badging, the available two-tone paintwork, and those imposing multi-spoke wheels create an aura that feels more private jet than family SUV. Every line is smooth yet authoritative, and subtle details, like the illuminated running boards that deploy gracefully, remind you that this machine is designed to impress before you even step inside. Open the door, and the world outside fades away. The cabin feels less like an SUV and more like a first-class lounge at 30,000 feet. Rich Napa leather, hand-finished wood trims, ambient lighting that glows like a five-star suite, and executive rear seats that recline, massage, heat, and ventilate transform every journey into an event. In the four-seat configuration, rear passengers enjoy airline-style folding tables and optional champagne flutes, turning traffic into tranquility. This is where the Maybach GLS truly separates itself. The rear seat isn't an afterthought, it's the main attraction. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering around 550 horsepower with effortless authority. Power flows through a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, launching this nearly 3-ton masterpiece from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds. It doesn't roar for attention. Instead, it surges forward with a smooth, confident push that feels endless and refined. On the road, the driving experience is almost surreal. The specially tuned air suspension and dedicated Maybach driving mode iron out imperfections, as if the asphalt were freshly laid for your arrival. Body movements are controlled, steering is light yet precise, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. You don't drive the Maybach GLS aggressively. You glide, you cruise, you arrive. Technology is seamlessly woven into the luxury. The advanced MBUX infotainment system features dual 12.3-inch displays, intuitive voice controls, augmented navigation, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system that transforms music into a private concert. Rear passengers get their own screens and controls, ensuring everyone travels in personalized comfort. It's not just tech for show, it enhances the sense of effortless command. Safety is equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, active steering assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping systems, and a full suite of driver assistance features working quietly in the background. The Maybach GLS doesn't just protect its occupants, it anticipates potential hazards with intelligence and composure. In terms of practicality, it offers generous cargo space and impressive towing capability for a luxury SUV, though it sacrifices the traditional third row to prioritize rear seat indulgence. Fuel economy isn't its strongest suit, and its sheer size can feel imposing in tight urban environments. Yet these are small trade-offs in a vehicle designed to prioritize supreme comfort above all else. What makes the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS truly stand out is how it blends opulence with capability. It carries the DNA of a full-size SUV but wraps it in limousine-level sophistication. Its strengths lie in unmatched rear-seat luxury, serene ride quality, and unmistakable presence, while its minor drawbacks, high price and limited seating flexibility, are almost expected in this rarefied segment. In the end, the Maybach GLS isn't for everyone, and that's precisely the point. It's for those who want to be driven as often as they drive, for those who see travel as a ritual of comfort and status, and for those who refuse to settle for ordinary luxury. In a world full of premium SUVs, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS doesn't just compete, it reigns.